We do it have so many hours we walking. Here is we are in TrollTunga.
Wow!
Amiga, doon ka kaya? Amiga, doon ka. Diyan ka sa may tungkod mo.
Ay, maganda na nga dyan.
Ikot ako.
Mahulog ka.
Da, Rosalita. Sandali video muna kita habang naglalakad ka. Darayo. Okay?
Yes guys, thank you for watching. And now we are going down from the mountain. Yes, and I hope that you like my new adventure, Norway mountain hiking adventure.
Here in Norway, TrollTunga. And guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification under below so you always update my next video. And like and share. And guys, we walking down. We are estimated walking down to 8 to 12 hours. And there is an additional trailhead at P3 Moga Litok. Yes, as you can see guys, I am still enjoy the view. Thank you for watching guys. Stay tuned.
Yes guys, now we are going home.
Oh no!
Here we walk 3 mountain, walk from there, walk
Wow!
around until here where I stand right now.
Wow!
Now we walk going home. We are very, very proud. We can manage to go this so far. And we sleep last night at our camp.
And now guys, morning jogging on our way down from the mountain. As you can see guys, morning, and I am very awake. Still sunny and beautiful weather here in the mountain. Beautiful view.
Mountain. Yes, here in mountain. Waterfalls. Just a minute yan. Ang ganan. Hi, hi.
in this adventure, guys. This is the best experience, memorable moment in my life so far. Make memorable moment in our life while we are still young. Jogging, jogging, jogging. Warm up. Morning jogging. And here, guys, some people go up the mountain, and we are going down.
Yan sila. Here I am in the mountain, guys. We can warm up. Hiking. Yes, guys.
Yes, enjoy the panorama view, guys, while I'm walking in this beautiful, amazing mountain here in Norway. This is beautiful, and you must try this adventure, guys, here in Norway. See you around and enjoy watching, guys.
Hi, hi. Yun sila. Papunta doon. They go to the TrollTunga, and we going home. A lot of people start in the morning actually, and then they come back the same day, but we overnight there. Then the view the other side, ice. Enjoy the view while I'm walking. Then the view the other side, ice.
And thank you for watching, guys, and don't forget to click the notification under below so you always update my next vlog, and leave the comment. Thank you for watching, guys, and thank you for loving me. Bye bye for now.
You like